Right now, our Culture Sentiment API shows a notable sentiment score of plus 0.25, but momentum has dropped significantly at minus 0.30. This divergence suggests a shift. While sentiment is positive, the downward momentum could indicate that enthusiasm is waning or encountering resistance. What's particularly interesting is that this sentiment spike comes with 20 semantic clusters, pointing to diverse cultural conversations that are rapidly evolving. Our API returns insights that include sentiment scores, momentum changes, and detailed semantic clustering, enabling you to pinpoint exactly what cultural narratives are gaining traction or losing steam. Imagine using this data to optimize your content strategy, quickly adapting to shifts in cultural sentiment to drive engagement. For a deep dive into our capabilities, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.